So this time I would speak about AI. There was, I believe, one talk about AI and lots of speeches about AI during the networking, so I would just add more food here. So basically, my name is Kostiantyn Tsymbal and I work at Google now. I was previously working at Fiverr and we had pretty much experience with AI there. I was developing feature to, let's say, give feedback for users for their order, and it, let's say, for some money, but it increased the chance for them to get first order. It's very difficult to get first order on Fiverr. Also, it increased clicks from their links. So we believe that based on those metrics, our feature was fine and good enough. And it's a good ability to use AI. But also, there was lots of AI used for development purposes as well. And I would share today basically how we can create tests using AI, because usually tests, especially in some smaller companies, it's the thing that you don't really do and you don't really want to spend a lot of time. I mean, I had experience with with very big projects and no tests. Honestly, you are just afraid of breaking something and you will break something suddenly. But using AI, especially Copilot, it's lots of companies pay for it, so I will show how to use it, and you can create tests. It's almost for free. It will guarantee some coverage, especially when you on CI stage, you have some percentage for coverage. It may be difficult to pass that percentage, and we had, let's say, 100%. It's kind of crazy. That's why AI comes into hand, and it just writes some bullish tests. And yeah, efficiency. You might focus on more work. So, what will we do? We'll try to create some infrastructure for tests using Copilots. We'll try also to check how Copilot works with more complex tests, because definitely it works with some simple, but let's say if it can do mocks. And if Copilot fails from time to time, you can just bother him with questions. We'll try to fix tests using more advanced models. So let's try with the simplest one. Let's say here we have some function. It's pretty much easy. It just, sorry. I hope so. Not now. Okay, gotcha. Let's just skip it. Okay, now you see. Let's me.
How can you put a regex without testing?
You can try. Let me just scroll. Yeah, I hope it's more visible. So basically, we have something like this, and yeah. The idea is more to show how Copilot works, and you can just ask him to create tests. So let's ask. Create test for, and let's see how it works. Yeah, but maybe I want to show something else, so just 1 second. Let's try to write tests when we don't have any infra for tests. So create test for extract patterns. And now let's see whether it works. I don't really, yeah. I believe it's bothered with this file. Let's delete it. Don't want it. And let's try again. I usually open lots of new windows. And yeah, it's not good enough. But when I was trying to do it on my own, it was giving me some code just it was suggesting to install some frameworks, so from time to time, it may suggest you to install some packages, but here it is. It generates some tests, and let's try whether it runs. And And yeah, okay, it fails. Okay, let's try to fix it. Either, yeah. Let's try now. It's more of work just to check. Yeah, it's passed. So let's quickly move forward. And let me show you how Copilot can create tests for more complex functions. Let's say we have an Nest.js application, and we want to test something. Let me find... And basically it's Nest, so it's like has lots of dependencies, so lots of stuff like this. Let's check if it works with it. Okay, let's copy paste the test itself. And basically even now, I mean, you can see, I don't have that much of time, so we won't run the test itself, but as you see, it mocks some providers, creates testing model. It does, I mean, lots of job for us. It mocks requests, and like, believe me, it works pretty good. So what's next? You can challenge it with competition level.
I love it.
Why not? It's returned here, so it's, let's say, mock. What else? You can challenge it with, if you know there's classical problem with number of filings. Let's say we need to count number of filings in the given matrix. But what I did, I changed name. I changed the name of islands to fruits. And basically, you can ask him to create test for comes like this. You can see, it may fail, it may not, but it may happen then that... Also, you can use commands. Yeah, let's try the command as well. And I believe without context, it will just generate... Oh, it's just not that bad. Let's see it. Yeah, so it's not that bad. And if it fails, we can go to something like Gemini or either OpenAI and create tests with some prompts. I shared prompts, but we don't have that much time. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.